empowering youth and building futures through NAPS. Every year, out of 15 million youth entering the job market, over 75% are not job ready. Yoma support the Indian government's National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme, NAPS, including all the endeavors, like the Skill India scheme towards addressing the aforementioned challenges. 1. 90% chances are to get full-time job. 2. Basic skills are honed. 3. Higher chances of retention and continued employment. 4. Higher wages than government sectors. 5. Exposure to multiple industries. With NAPS, businesses gain access to a skilled talent pool, while apprentices get hands-on experience and valuable training. Together with the Skill India scheme, NAPS is building a stronger, more skilled workforce for India's tomorrow. We strive to enhance the skills of thousands of young minds and empower them under our apprenticeship program as one of the best temporary staffing services. Don't miss out on your chance to be part of this transformative journey. Visit our website to learn more.